बहने दो, मत फैलाओ देश में दंगा, रहने दो, लाल हरे रंग में न बांटो हमको, मेरी छत पे तिरंगा रहने दो, मेरी छत पे तिरंगा रहने दो। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल respected director sir, principal sir, teachers and my dear schoolmates. Today I am Mansi Sevra from class 9 is standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Article 370. What is Article 370? Article 370 was a medium of keeping Kashmir connected to India. India got independence on 15th of August 1947. Within a short time, Pakistan acquired 30% of Kashmir and China acquired 10% of Kashmir. Only 60% of Kashmir was left in India. But what could India do for this injustice? As a pure democratic and non-violent country, India knocked the door of ICJ, International Court of Justice, again and again. All the powerful countries of world insulted India rather than support for its justice. The root cause of delay in this process was Article 370. This article granted a special status to Jammu and Kashmir, due to which it maintained its own constitution and flag, separate from Indian constitution and flag. There was another article, Article 35A, which defined the permanent resident of Kashmir. No outsider were permitted to buy land or property. It was difficult to India to maintain its unity and diversity inside the country. So, a lot of dignitaries raised their voice to fight against in a constitutional way and start saying, एक देश में दो विधान, दो निशान और दो प्रधान नहीं चल सकते. So finally, after a long debate and discussion on 31st October 2019, the Constitution of India declared unlawful to Article 370, and Jammu and Kashmir became two union territories named Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Now we, the people of India, have right to trade in Jammu and Kashmir, and now we, the people of India, have right to make relationship with Jammu and Kashmir in the way of marriage and relationship. So now we, the people of India, can proudly say, दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे और कश्मीर मांगोगे तो चीर देंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक यू.